Hey you guys, whoa, what was that? Hey you guys, what's up? It's Hannah and welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try to make this intro very short, very sweet. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. Except my guy friends, oh my hand is stuck in this drawer. Except my guy friends are going to be narrating and voiceovering and explaining their routine to you. I have no idea how this is gonna go. Kind of scared, not gonna lie, but also very excited because it's not just like I'm having one guy narrate it. We're having three of my different friends, Sam, Joshua, and Sean. Plot twist, it's only two because this whole video got deleted and it deleted Sam's recording and he has not answered his text, and this video literally has to go up in 2 hours. So I'm sorry, Sam. Narrate and voice over this video. So thank you to the boys who agreed to be in this video and do this.
Okay, my name is Joshua, and I'm narrating this makeup tutorial video from Hannah.
Okay, my name is Sean. We're gonna go straight into the video. First, you're gonna take some Curology cream, and then you're gonna squirt. You know.
Got some what the heck is that? Oh, we got some spray-on lotion. I guess we're gonna put some lotion on first, rub it in nicely on our faces.
And then you put on your face. You rub. You scrub, dub. You know, even though you're not in tub. Then you're gonna reach for your Patrick sack looking bag.
Now in the pink bag, it seems we have a roller.
We're gonna roll over your eye bags because none of us are going to sleep since 4. But I'm tired.
Seems to be another roller. We're gonna rub on our left side of the face, and now our chin. Okay, we're just gonna go all over town. Bring it around town like SpongeBob. Okay, now we got another roller. Now we're just gonna roll and blend it in nice and smooth.
Roll your boat, yeah, gently downstream.
Just gonna keep rolling and rolling. And
after that, you're gonna take your Elf, and I think it's a cream.
Oh, Elf is my favorite Christmas movie, by the way.
And then you're gonna rub.
But now let's put this Elf on our face. Smear it all over like paint, I guess. Now we're gonna. Oh, there's two of these things. Okay, we're gonna use lipstick now, or lip balm, whatever. And we're just gonna nicely put it on our eyes.
I can't breathe.
Oh wait, that's eyeliner. That's eyeliner. It's not lipstick. My bad. Put it on the side of our cheek. Now we're gonna use this puff ball. We're just gonna smear it in, you know.
Okay, as entertaining as that whole thing was, I'm gonna rewind it one more time so you can hear Sean's narration.
And then you're gonna take a concealer, if you ever pick one, Hannah. Okay, you chose one. And then you're gonna take it, and then you're gonna put it on your eye bags and under your chin, or your chin. So yeah, you're gonna do that right now. Once that's done, you're gonna take your gorgeous, when I say gorgeous face, and then you're gonna take a SpongeBob SquarePants.
My lights look insane, but the fact that we're literally not even 3 minutes into this video and 3 SpongeBob references have been made already.
And then you're gonna dab on your face. Dab. You know, go back to 2016. Dab. Ooh. Yee!
So now we're gonna. Oh, now we got the lipstick. Now we got it. So now we're gonna put the lipstick on, right?
And you're gonna take some lip balm, and then you put it on your lips, cause you know you gotta keep it ready and soft for when you never know when you might smooch someone.
Just rub it back, up and down, and now we're gonna use. Wait, she's putting that on her eye? My God, that looks painful.
And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm as smart as a 5th grader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, Mom, I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Okay, you're gonna keep going.
Oh God, that looks so painful.
Precisely after that, you're gonna continue to curl the other side, because you know you need to keep them even.
Oh, now we're gonna use maybe some mascara, or it looks like a comb that you would comb like your afro with if you had one, but we're using it for our eyelashes and whatnot.
Your eyelash comb thingy, then you gotta comb it. You gotta comb it over. You know, you gotta comb it. It's gonna go to a fancy party. You know, it might go to a wedding.
Oh, now we're gonna use some. Oh, I can't read the title. We're just gonna call it makeup.
After that, you're gonna take some mascara, and I think it's mascara.
Oh, there's the mascara. Now we just rub it on eyelashes.
You know, rub it on your eye, because you know you love thick eyelashes. You know, eyelashes gotta be thick. Thick.
Can we take a second to appreciate that Sean added all the memes and sound effects on his own? I did not do that.
Got those eyelashes nice and pointy and black.
After that, you're gonna take a Q-tip, and then you're gonna rub and massage your eyelids for no reason. I have no idea why you're doing this, Hannah, but you know what? You just do it. Then you're gonna take your cocoa powder.
We're gonna use a brush. We want to put it in some dry powder. It looks like.
Because you know we gotta get some of that cocoa powder. We love chocolate up in here. And then you're gonna tap, 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 and then you're gonna do a duck face. You know, you're gonna put the cocoa powder on your face, because you know we love cocoa powder. We love that chocolatey flavor goodness, you know. After that, you're gonna take your blush, and then you're gonna put your brush on your blush, and then you're gonna rub it in. You're gonna tap, 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 you know, tappity tap, and then
Nice and shiny, like the sun.
we love to look like we're blushing. We love to look like we're embarrassed and flustered 24/7, you know.
We're using Elf again. Okay, Elf Part 2, guys. So, oh god, we're really using this brush too much. What is going on?
And then you're gonna take your duck face once again, and then you're going to put it on your cheekbones and your nose. And then you're gonna take a sponge again. You're gonna put it all over to blend it out.
We're gonna use some control flex. Looks like it's a. Oh, it's a. What? What happened to the eyebrow?
You want your eyebrows to look on fleek.
Oh god, I thought they were disappearing for a second. Okay, now we're gonna put some more lipstick on. Just rub it nice on the bottom lip. Now on the top lip.
And then you're gonna take lipstick. Ooh, Hannah, you better not leave that on someone's face. You know, okay, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself.
I'm gonna put some more. Now what? Well, guys, it looks like this is how you apply makeup to your face. So yeah, if you ever think about using makeup, this is the way to do it. This is the way to do it. Smear it.
Concludes the video, and now you should completely look like a squirrel.
The irony of this is that my nickname's actually Squirrel, and he didn't know that.
Alright, bye-bye.
That is it for this video. I have no idea what you just listened to, obviously, because they haven't done the voiceover yet at the time I'm recording this. But hopefully that was entertaining. Who knows? Could have gone really well, could have gone really wrong. Hopefully that was entertaining, enjoyable. I will do my best to link all the products I used in the description. If they're not down there, that's because I forgot, so please go yell at me in the comments to link them. Thank you to all the boys who participated in this video. If you guys are watching this, thank you so much for agreeing to do this and for your contribution. That is all for this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, something, whatever you feel like. It's a free comment section. I can't think of something to tell you to comment today. Follow the socials if you feel so inclined. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I post every single Monday. And until next time, bye guys.
Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew